Okay, let's try to do this real quick. So you open up the book here, go to library. We're talking about tagging pictures. I pull up the library, and right off the bat, I see all these dance pictures. Okay, now I know it says fall ball keeps here, so you've named the pictures. Good. So that's good that you named them. So that gives us a start. So anyway, I know these are dance pictures, so I want to tag all of these as dance pictures. And over here are my topics, keywords, and names. Just ignore names. We're going to work with topics and keywords. Now in here, we already have a topic for dances right there. And you've got 8 pictures in there. And I don't know which 8 they are, but what we're going to do is we're going to click the first one. We're going to scroll down. We're going to hold the shift key down and click the last one, which highlights them all. We're going to go over here and we're going to click dances. All right, now they're all tagged for dances. Now, I know that, let's see, where is she? These, I know for sure these 2 girls are 8th graders. So they're tagged for dances, but we're also going to tag them for 8th grade. See, they're already tagged for 8th grade. Um, this is a staff picture. So I'm going to go here, click on this one. It's tagged for dances, but I'm also going to tag it for let's see, faculty and staff. Okay, so it's already tagged. So I can search that in both ways. Here, this girl is in 7th grade. So I'm going to go back up here, and there she's already tagged for 7th grade. So I tagged a few of these yesterday. Okay, let's go down here. Um, Here we go. You got Miss Shaw's homeroom picture here, her name, and you named it Shaw, so that's really good. And you've got the next one's named Shaw, all the way to here. So I'm going to click the first one, hold the shift key down, click the last one, scroll over here, scroll down, find Shaw. Now you've already got them labeled pre-K. That's great, but you want to separate them out. So we're also going to label them Shaw. That way, when you load up the other pre-Ks, you can label them pre-K if you want, and then you can also label them Shaw. Now down here, you got this Waylon Penny pictures. By the way, I'm pretty sure it's Waylon Henny, Henne, but no worries. Teresa, she's already used. Let's say you wanted to sort these anyway, and this is Teresa. Let's see where to begin. Teresa. Oh boy. Okay, so first one's Teresa there, and the last one's Teresa here. Hold the shift key down. Now over here, we don't have a Teresa topic, but we can make a Teresa keyword. So we're going to click on keyword. I'm going to add Teresa, Teresa, and click add. And there, they're all tagged with Teresa keyword. All right, so if you don't have a topic, you can just add a keyword. All right, I don't even know if I did the VFWs, but we'll do the VFWs again real quick. VFW here, shift, hold, keyword, VFW. Now that way, if I wanted to go find the VFW pictures again, I got a keyword and I don't have to scroll through 1,000 candidates looking for VFW pictures. Okay, that's how I did the football. See, I uploaded the football, and then also there's the cheer. Okay, so the cheer and football were in keywords, not in topics. I think that does it. Okay, so what you want to do here is have the kids go through and double tag these by grade level. All right, there's a 7th grade. See, there we go. I didn't tag that one. I know for sure she's in 7th grade because I taught her last year. So we're going to click 7th grade. Now it's tagged dances and 7th grade. She's in the 8th grade. 8th grade, I tag those. Faculty, I don't know what grade that girl's in. I don't know what grade those girls in. That's probably 2 grades because I think they might be in the 8th grade. I'm not sure. If they're in the 8th grade, you can tag them. All right. So I think that should help. That's quick and easy for tagging.